Hello and welcome to Promonoise. I'm your host Alex Morin, and you are going to love this promotion that I'm bringing you today from Gemline. It is the style 101147-214 La Cuisine Charcuterie board. Did you like my French? Pretty good, huh? Anyhow, I love this product. Why do I like it so much? It's made of acacia wood, and I had to study acacia wood a little bit to find out its characteristics. Here's what I found out. It's actually a sustainable and a renewable resource. In fact, acacia wood grows in tons of different climates, from temperate climates to tropical climates and even desert climates, making it a product and a tree that will grow all over the world. And there are many sustainable farmers of it. Hence, it's being used in all kinds of different applications, from furniture to kitchenware to decor. You name it, it's being used. It's an extremely hard wood, and it grows quickly. In fact, it'll grow up to 30 feet tall in just 5 years, again making it a sustainable wood. It's extremely hard as well, which is fantastic. If you're using it for food, which we're going to be using it for, you want it to be a hardwood because that prevents moisture from getting into it, which then makes it resistant to mold and also to bacteria. All these things to love about it. And take a look at it. It's gorgeous. Every single product has a little bit of a different grain, and I love that. And hey, little fact, if you were to actually compress this, what would come out of it is an essential oil, and that sap that comes out of it is also known as acacia gum, which is used as an emulsifier in many foods, and it's a natural product. You gotta love it, right? Let's get into the promo of this though. Now, how do you decorate it? You want to laser engrave this because we're using it with food. We don't want to put an imprint in the middle of it with ink. No, we want to laser engrave that, and we want to do that closer to the handle so that we have tons of space to be able to put food, charcuterie, cheeses, dried meats, fruits. Heck, you can even put your sushi rolls on there, deviled eggs, you name it, you can do it. Hey, and if you want to use it as a cutting board, you're free to do that as well because acacia wood is so hard. In fact, it's 55% harder than European white oak. Pretty incredible, huh? I love this product, and you know, because I've said this before, my philosophy is that when we give away products with our brands on them, we want to relate to community. We want to bring people together. And what brings people together better than food? I don't know. I can't think of a lot of better things. So use this with family, use this with friends, and every time you do, you will be reminded of the brand that you see on there. So for me, if I'm an employer, I'm gonna wanna give this out to my employees as a thank you gift. Thank you for working hard, thank you for a great year, thanks for working as a team, thanks for accomplishing this mission. That's how I would use it. But you can use it in a variety of other ways. You can use it at marathons as a high-end giveaway. You can use it at all kinds of trade shows as a giveaway to your VIP clientele that come to your booth. I can think again of hundreds of ways to use this product. Hey, for all those reasons, Gemline, you knocked it out of the park. Another fantastic product that's sustainable. I love it. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and check us out at www.promonoise.com. I'm your host, Alex, and I hope you have an awesome day. Let's keep making beautiful noise together.